Hello everybody, this is Patti and I'm coming to you from Patti's Kitchen. I will be cooking some, let me show you here, some cabbage. I'm gonna cook this cabbage, I'm gonna steam it. I've washed it well, I've sliced it up. I think everybody knows how to cut up a cabbage. And I have some peppers here, some sweet peppers, the red and yellow, and I have a little bit of green pepper. Okay, I have my pot here, and I'm going to be using olive oil and avocado oil. I'm going to step away just for a second. Okay, this is avocado and olive oil mixed. I'm going to pour a little bit in here in my pot, and I have washed these cabbage, so I'm not going to put any water in there because they have water in them. But before I do that, wait just a second, I will be using this uncured turkey bacon. Now I'm going to see how this tastes. This is what I will be seasoning my cabbage with. So I'll take it out of the pack, put it in the pot here, and then I'll bring you back when I get ready to put in the cabbage. But I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let you see what's in the pot here. I have put my veggies in here to saute them a little bit, and they have gotten brown. The meat has gotten brown, and you see this little goodness in the bottom of this pot that's a little brown from the frying of the meat. This is all goodness in here. So what I'm going to do next, I've put the veggies in there to saute them, and I'm going to put a little more oil in the pot here. Just a little more oil, avocado and olive oil. Now, once I put my cabbage in here, I have black pepper, white pepper, and salt mixed in this jar here. I had black pepper and salt at first, and then I added some white pepper once the salt was almost gone. And then I'll put a little onion powder in the cabbage. Now I'm going to turn this down a bit, and I will start putting my cabbage into the pot. And I have my gloves on here. I don't always work in gloves, but I try as much as possible. Okay, I'm going to put part of the cabbage in, and then I will season. Putting part in. And now I will sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper in here. A little bit of salt and pepper in here. Okay. And now I'm going to go in with a little onion powder. Okay. Now I'm going to add more cabbage. And once I get all of the cabbage in, then I will cover it with the top. I may have to wait until some of the cabbage cooks down before I put all of it in. Maybe not. I'll just see what's going on here. And I may put a little sprinkle of sugar in here. I like to put a little sprinkle of sugar, not a lot for it to taste sweet, but just a little bit of sugar, little sprinkle of sugar. have all of the cabbage in now. And I'm going to go in with a little more seasoning, not much, because I want to see if I need some once it's done. It's better to be able to add to than take away. Just a little more onion powder. And this is the cabbage. And I am going to cover it over and let it steam. It's not going to take any longer than about 15 minutes or so, because you know you don't have to cook cabbage to death. So I'll come back in once everything is done. I'll come back in and show you what it looks like and tell you what it tastes like. Hi y'all, I'm back, and this is the cabbage. Look at this. Can you see down in that pot? I've tasted it and it is so good. I cooked it for about 20 minutes. I put about a half a teaspoon of sugar in it. Now, I have some chicken left over from last night that I fried. I showed the video on that. And I have some rice that I cooked last night. Now, I am going to put some cabbage on top of my rice and let you see what it looks like. Now, I am from Louisiana, and we can eat rice with everything, all kinds of greens and whatever. So, this is the way I eat mine. Okay, I'm gonna show you my plate that I have plated here. Here it is, look at that. Look at that, my cabbage and rice and my fried chicken, and I am going to take a bite and tell you what this cabbage and rice tastes like. Here it is. It is good. Cabbage and rice. I don't even have to have cornbread. Just give me cabbage and rice, and that's all I need. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. It tastes so good. It is so delicious. Cabbage and rice with my fried chicken. Now, I may put a little hot sauce on my cabbage, or cut up a little jalapeno pepper. It smells good and it tastes so good. You gotta try it sometime with rice. It is good. It is seasoned to taste. And that's what I would like to tell you all the time. Season of your liking. You may not like the seasonings that I use, but you can season it however you want. And I may not season the same time all the time. Now, today, I didn't use any Creole seasoning, but sometimes I'll put a little Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning in mine. But it is good, just like it is. So good. So good. Look at this. So good. So, I will talk to you all later. Please like, subscribe, follow my channel, make comments on my page. I'm on Facebook, Cooking with Patti. I'm on YouTube, Patti's Southern Kitchen. So you can go to any of my pages and see what I have cooked. Instagram, Cooking with Patti. TikTok, Patti's Southern Kitchen Instagram, Patti's Southern Kitchen TikTok. I'm getting confused, y'all. But I love each and every one of you. Stay safe. And if you're in my area, I am so glad we escaped the storms. But I understand we have some more coming. So we would just pray and trust God, and we'll get through it. So until the next video, Be safe, be encouraged, think positive, and we will talk to you in the next video. Goodbye.